Hello students, in today's video we will talk about stack, IO and machine control group of instruction. This instruction of this group perform three operation, that is stack operation, input output data transfer operation and machine related operation. In stack operation, instructions are push, pop, XTHL, SPHL and input output operation includes instruction that is in and out, and in machine control operation includes instruction halt, knob, sim, rim, EI and DI instruction. Now starts from stack. Stack is a reserve placed at the top of memory map, or stack is a sequence of memory locations set aside by the programmer. Data can be retrieved or stored from it. Any portion of the stack or memory can be used as a stack, means any portion of the memory can be used as a stack. The stack works on LIFO principle, that is last in first out principle. During the execution of a program, sometimes it becomes necessary to save the content of some register which are needed for operation. The content of such registers are saved in the stack, then the register are used for some other operation. After completing the needed operation, the content which were saved in the stack are brought back to the register. The content of such register are stored in a stack by push operation. Stack is a sequence of memory locations set aside by the programmer. This is the sequence of a memory location having the address 8000, 8001, 8002, 8003, 8004. This is the memory address. Sequence of memory location is a stack. This is the data in the address 8004. This is called as stack top. This data is called as stack top. The address of this stack top, that is 8004, is stack pointer. Means stack pointer is to point the address of the stack top, and this is the next memory location. Putting data into the stack is through push operation and retrieve the data by pop operation. Stack push operation. During the execution of a program, sometimes it becomes necessary to store or save the content of some register. Here the register is D and E, because register are required for another operation. At that time, the content of such register are stored in a stack by push operation. Means putting the data onto the stack through the process is called push operation. Here the register D and E, D having the data 23 and E having the data 77, and this one is the stack. Stack top is FF and the address of this stack top is 8004. This one is the stack pointer, means SP is 8004. This is SP stack pointer. After putting the data of D register into this stack, is D is the higher order bit and E is the lower order bit. So higher order data is put on the higher order address and lower order data is putting onto the lower order. This one is the stack pointer. Now this one is stack pointer -1 because address is decremented by 1. So stack pointer -1. And this one is the stack pointer SP -2. Now compare these two, SP -1 and SP -2. Which is the smaller number? SP -2 is the smaller number. So smaller number is stored in SP -2, that is 77. Lower byte, lower address, this is the lower byte at lower address SP -2 and higher byte at higher order address. When the operation get completed, the contents which were saved in the stack are transferred back to the register by pop operation. Stack pop operation. This is the operation before execution of pop operation. This is the after execution of pop operation. Stack before pop operation is this one. This is the stack top and this one is the new stack pointer, that is 8002 before the pop operation. When the operation get completed, the content which were saved in this stack are transferred back to the register through the pop operation. Now higher order address, that is 8002 having the data, is going to the higher order byte, means D register. So this 23 is going to the register D23. Now lower order address, that is lower byte, that is 77, is going to the register E, that is 77. स्टैक पॉइंटर हम लोगों का यहाँ पे क्या है 8002, ये हम लोग का स्टैक पॉइंटर. अगर ये 23 हम लोग का वापस से डी रजिस्टर में चला जाता है, रिट्रीव हो जाता है वहाँ, तो नाउ स्टैक पॉइंटर इज SP+1. मतलब क्या 8002 था हम लोग का स्टैक पॉइंटर. जब हम लोगों का 8002 लोकेशन का डेटा रजिस्टर डी में चला गया तो एड्रेस बिकम क्या हो गया 8003. मतलब स्टैक पॉइंटर गेटिंग इंक्रीमेंटेड बाय 1. फिर नेक्स्ट जब हम लोग का 77 चला जाएगा ई रजिस्टर में, तब हम लोगों का क्या हो जाएगा स्टैक पॉइंटर, न्यू स्टैक पॉइंटर क्या हो जाएगा SP+2, दैट इज 804. New stack pointer is 8004. Means each time when data is loaded into this stack, stack pointer gets decremented, that is SP-1, SP-2. Conversely, it is incremented when data is retrieved from the stack. Means stack SP, now SP plus 1, now SP plus 2. This is incremented when data is retrieved from the stack. Push register pair. Push is the opcode and register pair is the operand. The content of register pair are copied onto stack. Consider an register BC having the data 49 or 56. Here is the stack. Address is 2000, 2002, 2003. This is the stack top and this one is the stack pointer. Between 2001 and 2002, which one is the highest order address? 2002. Means in B register, B is the higher byte, E is the lower byte. Higher byte at higher order address 49 is given to the location 2002 and 56 is at 2000. Before the execution 2003 is the stack pointer. Now address is decremented by 1, means stack pointer minus 1, SP minus 2. SP minus 2 is having the lower order byte. Mean now new stack pointer is SP minus 2. Higher order at SP minus 1, lower order at SP minus 2 and new stack pointer is SP minus 2. There is the diagram for the push operation. Here HL register is given having the data 42 and F2. The H byte and this one is the stack pointer. 42 is stored in the memory location 2098. Higher order byte at higher order address, lower byte at lower order address. Push PSW. The content of the accumulator is pushed into the stack. The content of status flag are also pushed into the stack. The content of the register stack pointer is decremented by 2 to indicate new stack top. What is PSW? Program status search. It is the combination of accumulator and flag register. Suppose accumulator having the data 15 and flag register having the data 21. This is the stack having the stack top and stack pointer. This one is the stack pointer. Here higher byte is accumulator, that is 15 is stored in higher order address, that is 2002. Means stack pointer is SP minus 1. Now lower order byte is stored at lower order address, that is 2001, 21. Now new stack pointer is SP minus 2. New stack pointer is SP minus 2. Here is the example which will soon. Diagram having the accumulator content and flag register. Higher byte stored at higher order address, that is SP-1 FFE. Lower order at lower order address -2 FFD. This is the new stack pointer. Pop RP. The content of register pair which was saved earlier is moved from the stack to the register pair. Content of location pointed by stack pointer are copied to the lower register of register pair. From BC, C is the lower register. From DE, E is the lower register. From HL, L is the lower order byte. That is CEL accumulator and flag. Flag is the lower byte. SP is incremented and content of location are copied to the higher order of register pair, that is B, D, H and accumulator. Let's see by the example. Here is the stack given in a sequence of memory location. Now F2 is stack top and 2097 is the stack pointer. This is the lower order address. So lower order address is given to the lower byte, this L. F2 is retrieved to the register L. Now stack pointer is incremented by 1 after retrieving of F2 to the register L. Now 42 is the higher byte, so higher byte of the higher address location. So higher order address location of data is given to the higher byte register, that is L. Now stack pointer is incremented by 1, SP plus 1 plus 1, that is SP plus 2. This one is the new stack pointer, SP plus 2. Pop PSW. The processor status word or program status word which was saved earlier during the execution of the program is moved from the content of the accumulator which was also saved is moved from the stack to the accumulator. The content of the location pointed out by stack pointer are copied to the flag or program status word. SP is incremented and content of the location are copied to the accumulator. The SP is again incremented by 1. Let's see through the example. This is the PSW having the accumulator and flag register. This is the stack. This is the stack top and this one is the stack pointer. Lower order address data going to the lower byte and higher order address data going to the higher byte. This one is the stack pointer before the pop operation. Now 80 is lower byte is going to flag register 80. Now stack pointer become incremented by 1 and this 12, that is the content of accumulator, is going to the accumulator A. Now stack pointer become incremented by 1 means SP plus 2. This one is the new stack pointer. XTHL. Exchange stack top with HL pair. The content of the register L are exchanged with the byte of the stack top, and the content of H register exchanged with the byte below the stack top. This is the content of XT HL 20, 30, and this is the stack. Two thousand 2001, 2002. Having the data means stack top and the stack pointer 2002. The content of the register L, that is 30, are exchanged with the byte of the stack top. Suppose stack having the data 49, 56. Now 49 is the stack top, means the content of register L are exchanged with the byte of the stack top. Stack top is 49, means here L is exchanged with the stack top, that is L having the data 49 and stack pointer having the data 30. Now the content of H, that is 20, register exchange with the byte below the stack top. Below the stack top, which byte is? That is 56. Now H having the data 56 and here 20. So this is the XTHL operation. Here is another example. H having the 3, L having 40, and this is the content of stack before the execution. After execution of XTHL, L is exchanged with the stack top. Before operation, L having the 40. This 40 is going to the stack top, and data of stack top, that is 50, is going to the register L. This is 50. And data of H register is going to the below this stack top, that is 2701. Here data is 30 and this 60 is going to the H register. This is the operation of XTHL. Exchange the content of L and H with the stack top and below the stack top. SPHL. Move the content of HL pair to stack pointer, or the content of HL pair are moved to the stack pointer. This is 1 by instruction. Suppose the content of HL pair is 2500. This is the stack. Move the content of HL pair to the stack pointer. Now stack pointer having the data 2500. Here stack pointer is pointed to the location 2500. Means move the content of HL pair to the stack pointer. This is the stack pointer having the data or stack top of address. This is stack pointer 2500. IO instruction. The data available on the port is moved to the accumulator. After IN instruction, the address of the port is specified. The second byte of the instruction contains the address of the port. The address of the port is an 8-bit address. For an example, IN8CH. Let's see an example. Here, the instruction copy the content at port whose address is 02 into accumulator. Here accumulator having the data 55 and port 02 having the data 77. IN02, IN is the opcode and 02 is the operand, that is the 8-bit address. Second byte of the instruction contains the address of the port. Means 02 contain the address of the port 02. That is address is 77. The address of the port is an 8-bit. 02 is the 8-bit number. IN02 having the address 77 at port number 02. This 77, that is the address of the port 02, is copied to the accumulator. Now accumulator having the data 77. This is the IN instruction. Out instruction. The content of the accumulator is moved to the port specified by its address. After the out instruction, the port address is specified. The second byte of the instruction contains the address of the port. Here accumulator having the data 55 and address of port 2 is 77. After out 02 instruction, the instruction will copy the content of the accumulator to the output port whose address is specified in the instruction. Means content of accumulator is copied to the output port, that is out 02. Output port whose address is, that is 02, is specified in the instruction. Means content of accumulator is copied to the output port at the location 02. Means 02 having the data 55. This is the address for output port 02 and the data is 55. HLT, halt. When this instruction is executed, any further program execution is stopped. The microprocessor remains in halt state. An interrupt or reset is necessary to exit from the halt state. NOP. No operation is performed when this instruction is executed. The register and flags remain unaffected. EI instruction. Before going into details instruction, let's understand there is a very important flip-flop known as interrupt enable. This flip-flop is internal to microprocessor and this is used to make microprocessor to receive service from external device or to maintain in the do not disturb mode. It will be done by using setting or resetting flip-flop. If flip-flop is set to its set, that is 1, the microprocessor receive request from the external device, otherwise it will be in do not disturb mode. It cannot receive any request from any external device. And how it is done? It is done with the help of instruction EI. I, that is enable interrupt, which used to enable all the maskable interrupt. Maskable interrupt means affected by any input signal. Maskable interrupts are RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5, INTR. DI stands for disable interrupts. This instruction is used to disable maskable interrupts. The interrupt enable flip-flop is reset and all the maskable interrupts except the trap are disabled. When this instruction is executed, interrupts are disabled. SIM and RIM operation. I have already discussed the operation of SIM and RIM instruction in detail in the lecture of 8085 architecture. So you have to follow that lecture for the operation of SIM and RIM instruction. Thank you.